I'll sneak around the corner. Just they're all standing there, and I'll just go, light them up! Just like spray across the whole group. You know, that's what makes it fun. They're going to remember Phil Bridges more than, you know, like anything else throughout the day. And so if they're talking about, you guys see what Cole did at the shift meeting? Even if they say, that was stupid, or that was not.
When asked why she didn't consider the possibility of Bernie Sanders becoming the nominee, Ms. Nolan reportedly said, I'm not sure if Bernie has a chance in hell, but I'm excited to find out. Bill, did Adam do well enough to win?
Well, he got 6 right, 12 more points, total of 15. He's the winner.
And they gave the briefcase. And that is what I can confide to Mr. Collins. But I'm not having much luck. Interesting layer we have here. What's through that door?
Kurosawa? I know it.
Doctor, under the circumstances, we've got to call in the police.
Yes, the police. We'll have to have them for Robert. You poor innocent Americans. Do you think the police can help you now?
The police have quite a reputation, Mrs. Santos.
Reputation, Capitan Friday. What do your police know about the mystic rights of the sacred little monster?
Your next move.
My next meal. And the next. And the next, wherever. So carefully. Long ago.
I don't get it. You say that whatever move we make has long ago been decided upon.
You're standing.
So we are coming upon Carl Sagan Day again for those people who celebrate that. We did 2 years ago with somebody that I'm going to be mentioning in just a few moments, somebody behind the movie Interstellar.
Let's move on to...
Yes. It's interesting, actually, because my dad was a deck in those years, and my family, actually, before I turned 7, had moved between Boston and San Jose and Boston a couple times as he bounced between deck and hotel. But it was reading the book about his
of the crust move around. And then there's also sort of that fundamental physics question. Why do we have an earthquake? Why do we have an earthquake today and not tomorrow? What's the strength of the rock? What makes it break? All of those are pretty interesting scientific questions, which is what the science...
If you're just tuning in today, we're devoting our entire hour to the rise and fall of petty tyrant Steve Rossi, who inspired fear, who did what he wanted, who was untouchable in his job running the maintenance department for the Schenectady Public Schools. We have arrived at the fall part of his rise and fall. Sarah Koenig picks up the story.
In early 2005, someone sent an anonymous letter to the union's regional CSEA president, Kathy Garrison, complaining about Steve, saying he was running his unit like a mafia boss, that he wasn't qualified for his job, that he should be kicked out of CSEA. The letter immediately got back to Steve. John LaPointe again.
He called me off a job and had me come into his office, quite agitated, and he's shoving this letter at me, and he's saying, read it, and it was